Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add a profile picture in WhatsApp on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up WhatsApp app. Then right here tap on Settings, and at the very top hit Add your existing profile picture or add kind of gray camera icon to move on to Edit Profile page. Then right here just underneath your photo hit Add Edit and then Edit again. Now you are able to delete this photo, to use avatar as your profile picture, to take a photo using your camera, or choose photo from your phone's gallery. I'm gonna select the last one that opens up my camera roll, and right from here I can select any photo. Let it be that one. Then you can pitch it to zoom. I like that one. And once you did that, you can just hit Add Choose, and new profile picture has just been set on your WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.